Bro, this thing is bigger than my head. This thing is humongous. Oh my god. Come on, babes. Come on, babes. Oh, I set it up. Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this is actually not even a beauty video, but honestly I'm just kind of having fun with my channel. Here we are recording me opening up my iPads. This Bible is the size of the last iPad that I had. I've had an iPad mini that came out in 2015 when the first iPad Pro came out. And today we got the iPad Pro M4, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea what that means. It's the same size as the laptop, literally. Okay, y'all, it's actually bigger than the laptop. Let me stop playing and let's get into this video. Here's the iPad. Oh my god, like look. No, I'm just playing. Okay, to be honest, I've already opened it, but I was waiting for all of this stuff. Can I see this? I was waiting for all of this stuff to get here, and it's finally here. Y'all, I did not realize how big this freaking thing is. I also got the Apple Pencil. The only thing I did not get was the keyboard. We got some stickers. We just got my Apple stickers, even though they no longer giving these out anymore. Like, Apple, why? I got my Apple Pencil cover and all that, and I got my case. First things first, let's go ahead and get the iPad out of the box. You know. Oh my god, look at it, you guys. Yes, I already told you, I've already taken it out. It is so light. Like, when I tell you this thing is so freaking light, bro. And of course I got space gray. And guess what? I don't know if y'all can see that, but hold on, let me see if I can get y'all to see that. Y'all see that line right there? Yeah, I got engravement, and I should have probably got like a better engravement, but hey, here we are. Oh, this got fingerprints. This need to be clean. And no, my goal was not to make this aesthetically pleasing, okay? This thing is humongous. And then of course, a few other things in the box. Of course, it just comes with like their instruction manuals where the stickers were supposed to be, but they're not. I'm so sad. No stickers? Whatever. We got the charger, which is basically just a computer charger. 9 times out of 10, I'm just gonna use my computer to charge the iPad because yeah, I need a bigger charger. If y'all gonna get rid of the stickers, Apple, at least give me a bigger charger. And at least you gave me a block. I'll say I'll take it. At least you gave me a block. I will say, at least I got 2 of these now. Let's go ahead and open up our glass screen protector. It says easy open. Did it lie? Let's see. Ooh. Ow. That lied. It's not easy. I'm having troubles. Having difficulties. Ow. I actually really am having difficulties. Oh, maybe because I was doing it wrong. Next up, you guys, we got the case and we got some stickers. Let's decorate my composition notebook, period. So before I show you guys the case and put the iPad in the case, let's go ahead and get the pencil together. So this is actually what is the one before the Pro? It's something 2, generation 2, Gen 2. This is actually for Gen 2, but Gen 2 fits the. Where's my pen? I'm tripped out, bro. Anyways, I also got my name on my pencil as well. It just be acting like it don't want to focus, but yeah, y'all see, yummy, lovely. Look at the pencil. I'm so excited. Look at this little bear. Got it mainly for the bear, and of course instructions and whatnot. Let's go ahead and put this in here. I've heard it's hard, and they say make sure to follow the instructions, so just push it on through. Almost through. Okay, I guess this part is the hardest part, because you're like, all right, well, how do I get the rest of this on there? Oh, you got it. We got it. And then put the little bear on top. Oh my god, it's so freaking cute. So you got the case. And then of course it got the pencil holder, but with the little thingy it won't hold the pencil, so I have to like take this off, and then it can go in there, and this can probably just, I don't know. And to be honest, I feel like every time you get a device, it's never actually the device that's the best part. It's always the accessories. Like my favorite part is the freaking case. I'm also not like setting this up from an iCloud or anything. I'm just literally setting this up as new. Oh, look at that code. Yeah, what did it say? Say 1. Oh, can we move this? Move this over, like. Yeah, this ugly. We gonna have to get all this together. But I like it. I finished setting up the iPad, so I thought I should go ahead and tell y'all I'm actually reading Wattpad. Like, it's like a big old book, and the freaking camera is about to die. So let me go change the battery real quick. Okay, so I'm back. Battery change. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and just look into it. So here is the iPad. So this is the front. I put my Apple sticker there. And then here is the back. If I was thinking, I would have put the other Apple logo in the middle, but honestly this is really pretty. And then of course I did put the camera protection in the back. All right, y'all, so when you open the iPad, this is what you get. It better be the right way. So you get this. So when you open it up, this is what you get. It is so freaking cute. And then if you turn it, it's so cute. If y'all want to know how I got my screen like this, I'm gonna just link y'all to the video. The cool thing that I learned about the pencil, so whenever you're trying to type something, you can just literally, can y'all please tell me y'all can see that? You literally, I don't know why, I could just literally just screen record, but y'all look. And then I'm gonna type, hold on, I'm gonna write healer, and then it just goes. Another thing I've been doing on the iPad, I did go ahead and start editing a video. I tried CapCut. I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all, I don't like CapCut. I will say the big screen and just like being able to see this, and while actually being able to precisely edit is like amazing. Y'all, this was not like this. Y'all see that right there? Like, it makes it so precise to just fix things. I got Roblox, so I need to sign in real quick, and then we can kind of like, you know, check out the little games on the Roblox, I guess. I'm in my Roblox. I need to also fix my Roblox page, so y'all, somebody come help me. All right, y'all, so my jaw is next. Yeah, like I said, I really could just screen record, but I'm trying to show you like how good the actual graphics are. So let's see, what are we gonna do? What a word. We're gonna do guitar. I can draw a guitar. Give me, oh, get that out the way. Give me, move, give me brown. Move! How do I get this out the way? That was it. I just wanted to show y'all like the, I just wanted to show y'all that we can get out of this. You don't necessarily need this brand new iPad. You really don't need it at all. It's actually a few reasons why I end up just getting it. Ultimately, if you want an iPad Pro, especially if you want this one, really just wait. Unless it's convenient for you to get it right now, like for me and you know, other people I know. If it's not convenient for you to get it, don't get it. You can easily just go get the iPad Air. I will say that, but I will also say along with that, I am happy with my purchase. Like, I love this thing, okay? I like literally love this thing. I've been watching videos and people with it and everything like that, and I literally just, I love this thing, yo. Like, I'm gonna keep editing and I'm gonna keep playing with it and things like that. But yeah, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. If you watch it to this point, you're a real one for real, because this is honestly just an impulsive video. This isn't, you know, this has nothing to do with my channel. But yeah, so I thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for my skincare. We're working on getting my skin cleared. That Murad acne like broke me out so bad, and I've learned my lesson on expensive skincare. And also, once we do all my skincare, I'm gonna take my hair down. I know y'all see my new growth. Like, it's not really that bad because my roots are black, but the point is, I know y'all see it. I know y'all see it because I see it. So once my skin gets to a good point where I want it to be, we're gonna shift the channel focus to my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking right now, and I hope you've subscribed already, and I hope you have a good rest of your day, your evening, your night, your morning. Oh, did I show y'all my pencil? Oh my god. Okay, that's it, you guys. Bye.